100 years after it was founded, the Tel Aviv metropolitan area is the liveliest, most vibrant, and energetic place in the Middle East. It is the economic, social, and cultural center of Israel. At the same time, this is the most crowded metropolitan area in the country, with a population of nearly 4 million residents and millions of employees, tourists, and frequent visitors. During the day, especially at rush hours, it takes a long time to cross the city as the traffic hardly moves. Nevertheless, during its first century, the Tel Aviv metropolitan area had no mass transportation system. Until now. Now, MTA, Metropolitan Mass Transit System, is leading the revolution in public transportation in Israel's central region. The heart of this revolution is an advanced mass transit system that will serve as an engine for economic, social, and urban growth. The Red Line will be the first railway network line of the light rail transit. It will cross the metropolitan area from Petach Tikva throughout the center of Tel Aviv-Yafo to the city of Bat Yam. It is the first part of a comprehensive plan to improve the welfare and life quality of Israel's citizens. And this is where we get in the picture. China Railway Tunnel Group, CRTG, is proud to come to Israel in order to take part in the revolution. We formed the joint venture with Solel Boneh, a company of Israel's leading infrastructure and real estate group, and for the forthcoming years, we will harness all of our expertise, knowledge, and global experience to help make the vision a reality. CRTG is a backbone member of China Railway Group, one of the top 500 world enterprises and brands. The second largest construction contractor in the world, CRTG is the most professional and largest contractor of underground works in the Chinese market.
China Railway Tunnel Group, CRTG, is one of the biggest underground infrastructure contractors in the world. We have delivered more than 5,000 kilometers tunnels in the past 30 years. CRTG have more than 15,000 long-term employees, included more than 300 designers and also 6,000 engineers.
The huge numbers growing daily tell our story. We made our contribution to metro works in more than 30 cities, such as Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Kuala Lumpur, and Singapore. We completed more than 900 railway tunnels and almost 600 highway tunnels. That adds up to more than 5,000 kilometers of tunnels built. We successfully completed over 140 metro stations and more than 500 kilometers of metro tunnels. CRTG specializes in underground structures, integrating the ability of consulting design, technical research, manufacture, tunneling equipment, and construction. We have our own 3 manufacturing factories, specializing in tunnel construction equipment. As the largest TBM contractor, CRTG owns 70 sets of TBMs. Let us take a look on how our TBM will work under Tel Aviv, as life above will continue undisturbed. We will use 6 tunnel boring machines, each 104 meters long, 7.5 meters in diameter, weighing 800 tons. Each TBM will dig under about 10 meters a day and will arrive exactly where it needs to be. At the front of the TBM is the cutting wheel, which is pressed forward by hydraulic cylinders. Inside the cutting wheel, the disc cutters and scraping tools loosen the materials. Then, it is taken away on conveyor belts to the back of the TBM and outside of the tunnel. Now, the ring building starts. Pre-built concrete segments of the ring are taken into the tunnel and lifted to their exact place before being bolted into the final position. This project is one of the largest and most influential groundworks taking place in Israel, as the first subway line will serve 70 million passengers yearly. The surroundings are very challenging to construct in. The TBM must successively and continuously cut across highways, rivers, existing railways, and other important buildings, while sedimentation and soil sinking must be prevented, and building control must be kept according to stringent standards. TBM tunneling construction has many advantages. It is safer, faster, more comfortable, and more effective, as it has no interruption to surface traffic, almost no risks for surface buildings, automatic construction for tunnel excavation and lining, and can work on various kinds of geological environments. Crtg Israel and Solel Boneh will design and construct the tunnels of the Western Red Line from South Tel Aviv to Ramat Gan, about 5.5 kilometers long in total, with 17 cross passages. We are also responsible for the construction of 6 underground stations: Allenby, Yehudit, Shaul HaMelech, Arlozorov, Abba Hillel, and Bialik.
We have the knowledge and we have the experience, and also we have the enough resources to support these projects. We have the similar size of projects, more than 100. So we have the enough resources, can guarantee we can deliver these projects on time.
For most of the Chinese people, Israel is a mysterious country with amazing history and attractions. The close connection and friendship between the governments and the people of the two countries in recent years has already laid a good foundation for the communication and cooperation between the enterprises of the two countries.
As the chairman of the Israel-China Chamber of Commerce, and after working more than 30 years in China, I think this project is one of the most important projects in order to extend the commercial relation between the two countries.
Being the most professional underground work contractor in China, we are ready to make our contribution for the fast growth and development of Israel. We are especially proud of this project, as it will contribute so much to a cleaner environment, reduce air pollution dramatically, prevent the need to drive cars into the center of the country, and increase the life quality of millions of Israeli citizens. We are happy to share our knowledge and experience with Israel for the beneficiary of the Israeli people. We will do our best to minimize the inconvenience during this period, and we appreciate your patience and understanding. Today, at the headquarters of Crtg Israel and at the construction site, Israelis and Chinese are already working together and establishing professional and close personal relations. Meanwhile, in the People's Republic of China, many people are following our project in Israel with great expectations.
A lot of people, because of this project, know of Israel and start to learn Israel and start to love Israel.